Hi friends, today we are going to talk about top 5 reasons why we should learn networking. So what is networking? Why should we learn? So everything you may think in your mind, but I'm going to update you one thing before starting this video, and that is I'm going to upload a series of videos related to networking and how networks work, how switches, how routers, how your mobile phone connects with another mobile phone, how mobile phone internet works. So I will talk everything, every shit of networking in upcoming videos. So if you're a new user or if you're much and heavily interested in networking type of things, so please do subscribe to my channel and follow my playlist. So without any late, we are going to dig into the top 5 reasons why we should learn networking. So I will start this video with a single question to you. So can you imagine the world without network? I think I can't. What about you? I know we can't, because networking, without networking we are nothing. Because right now, from the everything we are doing, we are connecting with network only. From the phone call, from the telecommunications, and from the internet usage, and from the sharing of content, from sharing of resources. At this main particular time of pandemic, without network we are none. Even media, TV, everything is related to networking itself. So without that networking, we can't imagine our lives. We can't imagine, that's it. So surely it will be helpful for you to get skilled in this kind of networking concept. So networking is immortal. So if you are skillful in that type of technology, then it will surely helpful for your career and also for the real world also. So are you waiting for the reasons? And here we go. The fifth reason why we should learn networking is interesting and fun. So what a weird thing. What is interesting, what is fun? So networking is interesting and networking is funny also. Why I'm saying like that means I have some experience in networking. So I use it to do some simulations, I use it to do connect with routers, I use it to do bit kind of communication between routers and PCs. I like that. So I know it is much and more interesting, and it's also funny also. So I think we people connects more with the things which gives you much interest and much fun. So this is the reason number 5 that we should learn networking, because it is more interesting and more funny. And the main thing is it gives you more knowledgeable regarding how the things work that we are using daily, like our mobile phones, our communication between people. You can learn about everything by learning the networking. So let's dig into the reason number 4. Reason number 4 is opportunities abound. So for people mainly who are undergraduates or graduated past year, you may wonder why I get into the networking field. Why should I learn networking? What is the use of me? Because as I said, networking is immortal. Then your opportunities are going to be abound, because you may listen about IoT, right? IoT technology, Internet of Things. So what happens means everything which we are using is connected with the internet, and we can operate that particular device. We can control that function of that particular device through internet itself. You may be in your office, you can turn on your AC in your house. So this is happening, okay, but how? Because of network only. So we should learn network for any new technology, because it is the most basic thing and it is a base of all upcoming and booming technologies. So opportunities are always more in the field of networking. And if you're getting into next one, let's get into the next reason. So reason number 3, we don't know how it works. This is also one reason. So like we people use it to talk with many people, right? We use it to chat, and we use it to scroll the feed in Facebook or Instagram every day. We use nearly, I think so, maximum 10 hours we use it to be with our networking device itself. But we don't know how these things works, right? So we don't know what happens if we call somebody, how our voice reaches to their speaker. So this is weird thing for many people. So for that reason, if you don't know, you have to learn it. So you don't know, that is also a reason for letting you to learn networking. So let's dig into the next reason without any lag. So reason number 2, problem solving. Yeah, why I get problem solving is a one particular reason to learn networking in real time. So problem solving means, yeah, you can face many problems, you have to solve it. And when coming to computer science related or some anywhere, there will be some problems and you have to solve it. Same as in networking also. So here in networking we will face some problems and we have to solve it. And more interestingly, the problem solving skill and the things we look at the networks, the things we are going to troubleshoot it, it's going to be more involved with problem solving itself. So it's useful for our mind, it's useful for ours also. So problem solving, which brings your mind active, which brings your thought process active through this kind of networking related concept, surely helpful for us. So this is one of the reason why we should learn networking. When coming to the next reason, it's a big one and it's most attractive one. So that is security and hacking. So many people thought like that, I am going to hack Facebook one day, I will start learning security, I will start learning security, I will start learning hacking. Hacking is like a buzzword that completely buzzes the whole world within a 2 to 3 years because of some ransomware attacks on 2018. So everybody started how to learn hacking, how to hack Facebook, how to hack Gmail. So everyone is much more interested in hacking other people things. Actually it's illegal, but legally also we can do hacking, and that is an ethical hacking. So for that security and hacking related concepts, you should learn networking. Without having idea on networking concepts, you can't dig into the security and hacking, and it's a bit difficult for you to understand the concepts of security and hacking related things. So before starting security and hacking, you must learn networking. So yeah, so this is a big reason, I think so, because many people wants to get into the security and hacking related technologies, but they're poor in networking concepts. So networking is a big immortal technology that never ends in the world. So it's always better to learn such type of technology. It's very beautiful, it's very interesting, it's very funny, it's very useful, and the opportunities are abound. I changed my way of creating content in YouTube. So I will going to tell you about what particular topic I'm going to do videos on. So here is the topic for my next video, that is basics of computer networking, and all these computer networking related concepts will be placed in playlist named computer networking from scratch. So if you are more interested in that, please do subscribe to my channel, and please watch all the videos till the end so that you can gain more knowledge without missing a single particular concept. So I think you people are much interested in waiting for that, and I'm sure and I promise you that I will upload consistently videos related to the networking. So keep watching, and more importantly, like, share, comment. Your comments encourages me a lot, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications. Thank you all. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.